So welcome back guys to another video on Melissa's Steve's Kitchen, and thank you all for tuning in another video. In this video I'll be doing another blended juice recipe, but this time I'll be using different ingredients. So before I get into the video guys, remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new video. So let's go on to our video. I'll be making an almond oat smoothie for today's video. So let's go over our ingredients that we have here. I have almond milk, so you can use any milk of your choice, but I'm using almond milk. I have some instant oats. This is the first instant quick cook oats. I have some raw almond. I have cinnamon powder for spice. I have a banana, and I'm going to use my Nutribullet. So let's get right into the video guys. So to start out this video, I'll be adding my ingredients to my blender. So I have this small, I'm using a small size, so I have about half cup of instant oats, so I'm going to add it. And then I'm going to add my almonds. I'm not sure how much I'm going to add, but I'm going to add a few. And then I'm going to add some cinnamon powder for spice. So I'll put about a teaspoon or so of cinnamon powder. You can add whatever you want. So I'm trying based on my taste. So for the banana now, I'm gonna peel banana. So put that in two and add that banana. Now you determine how much stuff you want to add to it, but this is what I have. Or I could add 2 bananas as well. And then I'm going to add my milk. So I'm going to try this new almond milk. Ooh, not sure how almond milk tastes, but I'm going to add about 1.5 cup. So about one. Let me add half cup first, and this is what it looks like. This is half cup. Okay, can add about half cup more of almond. So you have to get it to dilute. And depending on how much liquid you want in it. So that is going to be it. Now I'm going to screw on my blender, and you know that I'm going to be blending this in my, let me shake it up a bit. Okay, that is what it looks like. I'm going to be blending it in my magic bullet. So I have it here set up already. So we're going to start the blending process guys. Get it on, plug that in, and the shake, I'm gonna add it. Remember that we press down. Stop it to check the consistency. Open it. Smells very nice. Want to add more milk? We can add more milk, but depends on how watery. But I'm gonna add a little bit more milk, and probably a little more cinnamon powder. It's very nutritious, guys. You really have to eat healthy. You want something quick, like if you don't want any breakfast, these smoothies are very good. It's our recipe. Alright, let's go again. Push down. So guys, I finished blending my juice, so let's see. But this is almond and oat smoothie, so you add what you want to add. You don't see it, but this is our end product, guys. So pour that on. Wow, very nice, very nice. See, very smooth and nice. So guys, there you have it. This is my oats and almond here, my oats and almond smoothie. Hope you guys enjoy this recipe. You can top it off with some cinnamon powder. You top it off with some almond, just like that. So guys, I hope that you enjoy this recipe, and thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Quick and easy.